Fire in the hole, let's cook some wings. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome once again to my backyard. What I got going on here for today is I got some chicken wings. And we're going to marinate them in a nice Chinese soy sauce marinade. And then we're going to cook them on the vortex. So what we need for this is to start this out with some cup of Shaoxing cooking wine. Shaoxing. Good stuff. You saw it in a couple of videos back. I used this. We're going to put a whole cup of that in my marinade. I'm making a lot of marinade because I want to reserve the marinade to baste on the wings. Half of the marinade to reserve for the wings. Then we got an old friend, mushroom soy sauce. We're going to put 1/4 of a cup of mushroom soy sauce in there. That's good stuff. Nice, dark, flavorful soy sauce. 1/4 of a cup. I'll put the recipe in the description like I always do. Don't you worry. I always do that for you. I'm very courteous that way. Okay, so we got our dark soy. Now we need our regular soy. Another 1/4 cup of regular soy. This one's all about the soy on these wings. And we're going to marinate them overnight. Then we're going to cook them on the grill tomorrow. And we're going to use this reserved marinade to baste them with. So we got our regular soy. Now we get some ahi Mirin. Mirin is a sweet cooking wine, sweet Chinese cooking wine. We want about 1/4 of a cup of that. That'll bring some sweetness to this. And to bring some further sweetness to it, we got some sugar. Just some regular old table sugar. About 1/4 of a cup of that. Going to dissolve that in there. This is a very sweet marinade so far. Soy sauce for the salt, mirin and sugar for the sweet. So we need a little bit of seasoning. A little bit of seasoning left for this marinade. We're going to put a little bit of the old Chinese 5-spice powder. About a teaspoon of that. Strong stuff. I'm going to get that in there. Teaspoon of Chinese 5-spice powder. That's some good stuff. That's got star anise in it and some other stuff. Cardamom, I think, cloves. 5 different spices in that 5-spice powder. Get that mixed up. Okay, so we got the sweet. Now we want to bring the heat. And here what I got the last of my garlic chili sauce. Rivet Gardener, do not send me any more garlic chili sauce. I'll get my own, please. That's about a tablespoon of that stuff. That's really good stuff. It's hot. Now we got to bring some more heat to this. We need we need a little bit of Sriracha. So let me get a forklift over here. Get my Sriracha jug. Yeah, that Sriracha jug. Rivet Gardener gave me that Sriracha jug. And I'll tell you what, that's some good stuff, Rivet. I love it. I gave some away to some of my friends, and I used some of it, and I'm using some of it now. 1/4 of a cup of Sriracha. Good stuff. That'll bring a nice color to that marinade. Wow, that thing's heavy. So we're going to mix that all up. I'm going to reserve half of it, like I said, for a basting sauce. Wow. You've got garlic and chili from that garlic chili sauce. You've got the sweet mirin, the sugar, and the salty from the soy sauce, and the heat from the Sriracha and that garlic sauce. We're going to pour about half of that on my wings, let them sit in the fridge overnight, and then we'll come out here tomorrow and we'll cook the rest of these on the vortex. That's enough to cover those wings well. We'll just stir that up, make sure they're all covered. That's it. We'll let them sit in the fridge overnight and soak up that soy sauce goodness. New channel, Dan. Soy sauce goodness. Maybe not. Okay, let me get them all covered in that. Get the cover on that. Get it in the fridge. And tomorrow we'll come and cook these. So stay tuned. My wings are well marinated, so we're going to get them on the fire. I got that charcoal vortex rocking that thing gets hot quick. So let's get these wings on here. These are some nice meaty wings. Get them arranged around the fire like this, where I can handle them without getting burnt. There we go. It's starting to look like something, huh? There you have it. Okay. Let me get my wings cooking. I'm going to come back and turn them in about 15 minutes, and I'll marinate them with that reserved marinade that I had left over. So stay tuned. I'll show you the first marinade, and then after that it'll be time to snack on some wings and drink a beer. So stay tuned. That charcoal vortex gets hot quick. Let me tell you what, I'm going to baste these up a little bit. Some of my reserved marinade. Wet them down with that, and then I'll flip them. Then I'll cook them some more. Oh, don't that look good? Really getting some good color on them now. And by that time, it should be almost done. It'll take about an hour to cook these on the grill this way. That charcoal vortex really gets hot. Wow, it's really hot. Yeah, let me get these basted up, and I'll flip them over, cook the other side. Like I said, it takes about an hour to cook wings this way. They're starting to really look good. And we'll come back, we'll take a taste and have a beer, so stay tuned. I don't know what happened. Something happened to the memory card. Came loose or something, but I've already poured out the beer and drank it. It's distilled funkin' groovin'. And I did a whole little jive thing about funkin' groovin'. But I've already tasted the beer. It's excellent. And but I lost that whole beer segment. Anyway, I bet a lot of people are happy about that, but I'm not. Okay. Yeah, let's check out these wings. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I got a memory card error. I don't know how much of that last segment got copied. Anyway, that's my wings. Go see the Tipsy Kitchen. That's where I got the recipe. Come back next week. We may not cook anything good, but we will drink a beer. And Wing King, eat your heart out, baby. These are some action wings right here. Right here, baby. All right, well, I'll see y'all next week. Bye.